Let us study the adaptations in snakes now. We all know snakes, we all have seen snakes, right? Wait, we'll see a snake here now. Okay, saw the snake? Okay, so that is a snake. Snakes are found living in all types of environment. You'll see snakes living in all type of environment. Okay, you'll find snakes even in water, right? In water bodies. So snakes, they have some adaptations that help them to catch and hunt their prey. Okay, prey means we all understand prey and predator, right? So to attack its prey or to hunt its prey, snakes have some adaptations. They move quickly and smoothly even though they do not have limbs. Okay, snakes do not have limbs, but they move quickly and smoothly. Some species of snakes, not all snakes, okay, but some species of snakes, they produce venom. Venom, we all know, it's a hazardous substance produced by snakes which can immobilize and kill the prey and predators. Okay, so it produces venom. Some species of snakes produces venom, which are hazardous, dangerous substance which can immobilize and even kill the prey and predators. So they inject venom by special teeth called fangs. Okay, so they have fangs. Now these fangs act like syringe. Syringe means we all have taken injections some or the other time. Those who haven't taken, they are lucky, right? But we all have seen at least the injections. We have seen how injections are given in the body, right? So in the same way, the venom is injected, the hazardous substance is injected using the special teeth called fangs. So some snakes, they have fangs which help them to inject the venom into the prey and the predators. Okay, so snakes, they live in all types of environment. They have some adaptations that help them to catch and hunt their prey. They move quickly and smoothly even though they do not have limbs. Some species of snakes produce venom that can immobilize and kill their prey and predators, and they inject this venom by special teeth called fangs that act like a syringe.